In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Booksy BizWeb. If you've been considering making a change to your subscription plan or simply need to take a break, following these steps will help you cancel your subscription easily and with confidence. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Booksy BizWeb account. This is your main dashboard where you manage your bookings and business settings. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, it's straightforward to navigate to the necessary settings to manage your subscription. Next, look towards the side menu where you'll see a variety of tabs that help you access different features of Booksy BizWeb. What we want to focus on is the Settings tab. Give that a click. Once you're inside the settings section, you should see another list of options. Navigate through these options to find the subscription/billing area. This is your destination for handling anything related to your current subscription or billing information. Once you've arrived at the subscription/billing section, you should see detailed information about the subscription plan you're currently on. Here, you'll be able to view specifics about your billing cycle, plan details, and other relevant information that's crucial for managing your account effectively. This transparency ensures you're never in the dark about your subscription status or any associated costs. If you're sure about canceling, the next step is to locate the Cancel Subscription button. It's usually quite prominent, designed for easy access. After you click Cancel Subscription, a confirmation message or prompt is likely to appear. This step serves to make sure that canceling your subscription is indeed your intention, preventing any accidental cancellations, which could lead to disruptions in service. Once you confirm your choice, your subscription cancellation will be processed. While this stops future billing, it's important to note that you're still able to use the services of Booksy BizWeb until the end of your current billing cycle. This way, you won't be cutting off access immediately and have some time to transition if needed. Knowing this can help ease any worries about missing out on the service you've paid for. And there we have it, a step-by-step guide to canceling your Booksy BizWeb subscription. Understanding how to manage and control your subscription helps you make informed choices, and I hope this explanation has made the process clearer and more approachable for you. If you've got further questions or require assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out to Booksy's customer support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.